guys, today in our channel I'm going to make my favorite foodie white sauce macaroni pasta. And guys, after a long gap, I'm back to cooking. For this, ingredient needed are milk, pepper, salt, garlic and vegetables of your choice in macaroni pasta and 2 tablespoons of wheat flour in herbs. First, place a pan with water. Then sprinkle some salt. After water is heated, add pasta and stir it at least twice. Is done. Usually pasta gets cooked in 10 to 12 minutes. Now strain the water from the pasta using a strainer and add some cold water to it. Also pour a teaspoon of oil so that the pasta will not get stick to each other. On the stove and add some butter. Then add some minced garlic and some onion. Veggies of your choice and saute them for a while. Let these get a little crunchy. Then sprinkle some salt for these veggies. In the same pan, add some butter. Add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Let it get fried in the butter. Now pour 2 cups of milk to it and stir it continuously. Sprinkle some pepper and salt to it. Now our creamy white sauce is ready. Here we add sauteed veggies and cooked pasta to the white sauce. Herbs, and it's an optional one. Done it! Our yummy white sauce pasta is ready to eat. Hope you would like this video and without forgetting, try this recipe at your home and comment about your experience. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.